Want to turn your dreams into reality? Stick with me to discover the secret of setting and achieving your goals. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most crucial skills for personal and professional success: setting and achieving goals. Whether you want to advance in your career, improve your health, or learn a new skill, having clear goals and a plan to achieve them is essential. Have you ever set a goal and struggled to reach it? Tell me about it in the comments. The first step in achieving any goal is to make sure it's clear and specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." Specific goals provide direction and motivation. Have you set any specific goals for yourself recently? Share them with us in the comments. Once you've defined your goal, it's important to make it measurable. This means breaking it down into smaller, trackable milestones. For example, if your goal is to read more books, set a goal to read 1 book per month. Keeping track of your progress can help you stay motivated. Do you keep track of your goals? Let us know how in the comments. It's crucial to set goals that are realistic and attainable. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and burnout. Make sure your goals challenge you but are within reach. What's a realistic goal you've set for yourself? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Your goals should be relevant to your broader life objectives and have a deadline. A relevant goal aligns with your values and long-term plans, and a deadline creates a sense of urgency. For instance, if you want to save money, set a goal like, save $5,000 by the end of the year. Do you set deadlines for your goals? Share your thoughts in the comments. An action plan is a roadmap to achieving your goal. Break down your goal into smaller, actionable steps and assign deadlines to each step. For example, if your goal is to start a blog, your action plan might include steps like choosing a niche, setting up a website, and writing your first post. What's the first step you'll take towards your goal? Let me know in the comments. Staying committed and motivated is key to achieving your goals. Keep your goals visible by writing them down and reviewing them regularly. Celebrate your progress along the way and adjust your plan as needed. How do you stay motivated? Share your tips in the comments. Before we move on, let me tell you about my book, Renacer, Despertando to Potential Interior, now available in English. This book will guide you through discovering your inner rebirth, identifying and challenging limiting mental patterns, integrating positive changes and achieving personal development, setting effective goals and using practical templates, transforming intentions into actions with practical exercises, building self-confidence and self-care, consolidating transformations and managing setbacks, maintaining motivation and overcoming procrastination, developing communication skills and managing time productively, enhancing emotional well-being and professional development, managing finances and improving emotional intelligence, strengthening self-awareness and self-regulation, building empathy and improving interpersonal relationships. You'll also find downloadable resources, templates, guides, suggestions, and best practices through an exclusive QR code. If you're interested in deepening your personal growth journey, check out the book in the description below. Every goal comes with challenges. It's important to anticipate potential obstacles and plan how to overcome them. Whether it's time management, lack of resources, or self-doubt, having a plan in place will help you stay on track. What obstacles have you faced in achieving your goals, and how did you overcome them? I'd love to hear your experiences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can set and achieve your goals more effectively. Remember, the key is to be specific. Make your goals measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create an action plan, stay committed, and overcome obstacles. Thank you for watching. As a special thank you, I've created a free PDF guide summarizing these techniques and providing additional tips for setting and achieving your goals. Find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, take a short quiz to test what you've learned today, linked below. See you in the next video.